Good morning, everyone. This is Honeycomb textbook in English for class 7th. Today we are going to learn the chapter 3 Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Have you ever read a comic book? A comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures. So, have you comic book is a book who tells stories by pictures. Here is the story Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. You can see here, all are catching Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa fish? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. So here you can see all the pictures. They are cutting, they are selling, and here he is saying about Hilsa fish. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was, here is king. So in king's quarter also people were talking about Hilsa fish. Stop it. King was angry. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish, and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. Oh, here is Gopal. You can see here. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. King, then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. Gopal, I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. A few days later, why is your face half shaven? I am dressing up to buy a fish. See here. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? I told you I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman, I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish. It's happened to him, he is gone mad. You know, here Gopal is going to buy Hilsa fish with his smeared face, half shaven, beard and head. Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? He must be a madman. Shh, I think he is a mystic. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? I want to see the king. You can't see the king. Get away with you. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. You know, all the pictures are, you can see here, telling you a story, and you can understand by them. Inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Forgotten something? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsafish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsafish. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Ha ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations! You have achieved the impossible once again. So this is end of story. You can see here Gopal is a courtier, and Gopal was a witty person, and he finally won the challenge which was given to him by the king. So this type of pictures and quotations type story is called comic, and so many comic books are available in our area or in our many libraries also and bookshops also. So this is the end of video. Goodbye.